This is what £500 a night gets you in Koh Samui, Thailand. So we've got a massive, spacious living room. Amazing view with the glass windows. Check out this cool lock. Nice kitchen dining table. Got the chest set up. Gorgeous view. I think this is the main selling point for me really. You got the swimming pool. You get a nice view in the back of the water and the mountains. Come over here to the kitchen. Got a nice kitchen set up here. We do have chefs on deck that will be cooking dinner for us and breakfast. Take a look at guest bedroom number 1. Here we've got quite a nice king bed set up. Got your wardrobes over here, nice desk here. All the space you could want. Got a his and hers bathroom. Nice massive mirror, beautiful bath, shower and toilet. This guest bedroom's got a balcony as well. Open this up. Here's a view that the guest number 1 has. Check out guest bedroom number 2. So in here we've got the second bedroom. Similar setup, king size bed, got your TV, desk, your wardrobes. Beautiful view here. This one's a little bit closer to the pool. And then you've also got your 2 sun lounges over there by the pool. Nice massive panoramic view spanning out here. Let's check out the outside area. So here we've got a lovely outside area. Obviously you can imagine if you're here on holiday with your mates, it's a nice villa. Got a nice barbecue up there. Check out the grill on a nice hot day. And then we go over down here. Got a nice sitting area. Nice place to have your breakfast down here, right by the pool. I'd be sat here trading with the laptop up, have the nice view with the pool behind me. Back into the house. Now take a look upstairs to the master bedrooms. So you got a beautiful landing. All the lampshades, all the ornaments, all the artwork. Master bedroom number 1. Here's what I'm using as a little office at the moment. So I've got my little makeshift setup here. Got a beautiful view while we're trading out in the background. A couple of winds from earlier today. Nice view of the water, of the clouds, of the mountains, of the trees, everything you could want. Got your wardrobe set up, king size bed. Same again, his and hers sink, his and hers bathroom, toilet, shower. Come take a look at the second master bedroom. Again, you've got a nice balcony here. This all opens up. This is a central balcony overlooking the whole hill. Now it's time for the main master bedroom. So in here, same again. Got the nice huge mirror, his and her sink. Got a nice bathtub set up, toilet, shower, all the space you need in your wardrobes. Nice desk, huge room, king size bed, and you've got your own long balcony overlooking the whole panoramic view. So here you've got your own balcony, nice long balcony soaking up the view. Spans all the way around so you can see everything over all the jungle, over all the other villas. You've got the beach, you've got the sea, you've got the clouds, mountains. This is the main attractive viewpoint. Now let's come back down to the gym. So this takes us outside. Table tennis setup if you want it. Park your motorbike up. Safe and secure. In here, got a laundry room. So you've got staff on site doing all your laundry, all your ironing, everything you need. They've got their uniforms in there, robes for the spa, everything. Now we've got the fitness and spa game room. So we've got a nice big pool table, football table, you've got a multi-gym in the corner. And then here we've got your treadmills, your bench, your running equipment, some weights and your massage tables. So we do have masseuse on site, everything you could possibly ask for. And you've got a nice view for it as well while you sat down getting a massage, nice and relaxing. You've even got your own shower and bathroom inside your gym. So you can shower before you even head upstairs. This little spiral staircase takes you up to the pool upstairs. So you've got quick, easy access from the gym to the pool, but we've already seen that. So that's everything. Absolutely massive house. Obviously it can fit 8 people if you really wanted to, but there's just 2 of us here. Staying here for 2 weeks, got a nice view, nice trading setup up there, plenty of things to do in this house. You've got staff on site, chefs, masseuse, you got your own gym, everything you could possibly need. The location's not too ideal because you're at the top of a massive hill, but for that you do get the panoramic view over the whole of Koh Samui, which is pretty nice. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to have a look and stay yourself with you and your mates. It's a beautiful villa to come and have a holiday. For now, I'm going to spend some time in the pool and I'll see you next video.